Hey there, Arkansas business owners, and those of you thinking of diving into the world of business. We've got something that might be right up your alley. Ever wondered what a registered agent is? Before we explain and tell you how to get one, give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Now, every business in Arkansas requires a registered agent by law. A registered agent is someone who's there to accept official documents on behalf of your business. This includes any potential legal documents, and yes, even those not-so-fun notices from the state. Imagine having someone trustworthy, always available to receive these important documents. Someone to ensure your business remains compliant, and you never miss out on any critical paperwork. That's where we come in. Legal. Registration.com. Our team is standing by, ready to be that trustworthy partner for you. So why do you even need a registered agent here in Arkansas? Simple. It's all about ensuring there's always a consistent point of contact, a person who's always there. For your business, it's like having a dependable friend that's got your back 24/7. Here's something you might find interesting. Did you know that 3 out of every 10 new businesses face compliance issues because they miss out on important documents? Yep. And trust us, you don't want to be in that statistic. Now let's talk about why us. Our organization is proud to be the #1 registered agent service in the nation. And we did not earn that title overnight. We are dedicated, and we've been serving businesses like yours for years. So if you're an Arkansas business owner or you're dreaming about becoming one, remember, we are here, ready and waiting to be your registered agent. Stay on top of your business game and let us handle the nitty-gritty details. We are here for you, Arkansas. Cheers to a smooth sailing business journey. To sign up for our registered agent service, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, does it make sense to you why registered agents are so important to businesses? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.